Unlock the future of surveys with ChatGPT and Qualtrics. In this quick demo, we'll show you how to supercharge your survey experience by seamlessly integrating ChatGPT for intelligent, real-time responses. Whether it's dynamic feedback, personalized surveys, or interactive conversations, let's take your Qualtrics game to the next level. Ready to revolutionize your surveys? Let's dive in. All right, here we've got a sleek chat window where you can type in your questions for ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and ask it to write an essay on Qualtrics. Notice how the look and feel of this chat, like the background color and overall design, are fully customizable. Plus, you get a cool animation showing the AI typing its response in real time. You can tweak various settings like the temperature, tone, and randomness to really dial in how ChatGPT responds. And of course, you can always ask follow-up questions based on what it says. Now, let's try something else and ask it to create 2 multiple-choice questions on Qualtrics. Here, you can see how the chat history, including both the user's input and ChatGPT's responses, is saved directly in Qualtrics for deeper analysis and insights. This opens up a ton of possibilities for different use cases, so stick around, we've got more to show you.